welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time every day to stop back at my channel. Okay guys, so I'm sorry I'm moving you all over the place right now. All right, remember when I said my camera cut off? Well, it did cut off. It cut off the whole entire, almost the whole entire haul. So I wasn't able to show you anything. So I just posted that video now. I was able to show you a few of my new items, but not a lot of them. So I'm going to re-record it, which I'm doing right now. But before I do that, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my new upcoming videos, because I will be having some DIYs, Halloween, and a few fall ones for Thanksgiving and things. So I hope that you consider sticking around, and I would really appreciate it. All right, guys, so let me just first show you something that I made. Now, this is inspired by a wreath that I found at Joann's, and that was like $49, or not Joann's, it was TJ Maxx. And it was like $49. I was not about to pay that. I did make it in a smaller version, but I think this version turned out so cute. So this version has the little mini skulls that I got from the Dollar Tree. All these are Dollar Tree products. So I made it with bigger flowers, and it didn't turn out so well. So it didn't look right. So I went and I remade it, and I made it with the smaller flowers. So, and put a couple extra skulls on there, and it really turned out so cute. It's made with that smaller wreath. I did use this Celsius here, and I also splashed it with some black paint. I colored these, spray painted these a copper, and then I colored their eyes in with the black paint. And I just think it turned out really cute, so I wanted to share it with you. I will be doing a DIY so you can see how I did make this. So it was really simple to make, very easy, and it didn't take a lot of time. So it is very inexpensive and didn't take a lot of time, so who wouldn't love that DIY, right? All right, guys, so let's get started with the haul. I do apologize again that I don't know what happened. My videos seem sometimes just to cut off, and I don't know why. All right, so the first things I want to show you are a couple of new items that I do have. I am like getting now prepared for Halloween. So I did get this garland, and it is the skeleton garland. I will be making a garland for my mantle, but I'll be using these and other products as well. So I got those, and then I got this one. This garland says Happy Halloween, and of course it has the little kitties on it, has some ghosts on it. It is super cute. So I did pick this up as well. I thought it was so cute. So I'll be using that. I like Halloween, but I don't like a scary Halloween, you know what I mean? Like, so I did pick up some of these. I got two of them, but I did pick up two of them, but I did put this some of them away. This one is, it just has a light inside of it, and it changes colors, and it's really cute. I thought this was super cute. So I picked that up just for a little decor. You know, I have so much stuff. I decorated the outside of my house, so I'll show you a picture of that. And I think that's all I am going to do. I'm going to do my mantle, and I'm going to do my table. I have a little tray that I'll decorate the tray, and I have a little table by my door, and I think that is all the decoration I will be doing. All right, so I did find some new washi tape. These washi tapes are super cute. I am still collecting them, but only if I really like them. So I got these two, and I think I have a kitty cat one too. Let me see. Yes, I do have a little kitty cat one, and this one is adorable. This is actually my favorite one. So I got a new planner for next year, and it says Cat Lady, so I will be using plenty of this washi on that. So I got those. I fell in love with this love sign. Is this not the cutest? It's like all puffed out. You could probably put flowers in here and outline it with the flowers, you know, make a really pretty love, saying love with flowers. You could spray paint this. You could probably use this in a wreath. You could do so many different things with this. However, gold is not my color, but I will be spray painting this a silver color. So I cannot wait to do something with this. I am going to be thinking about it, and I will be making something with this sign for sure. So they are new to my store. And then let me just show you this floating shelf. Now this is really, really cool. I had the octagon shape shelves. I love those shelves. They're really cute. I will be keeping them where they are. Right now, all my Dollar Tree ornaments or knickknacks, every silver one that I collected are on them. Now, this has the screws included. It has the wall anchors. Also, it can hold up to 5 pounds, it says. I mean, you can change the color of these. This is plastic, so you could just find that spray paint that does well on plastic. I mean, these are really cute for knickknacks. Now, I got 5 of them, so I will be using them in different locations in my house. But these are super, super cute. I was really happy to find them because sometimes I just don't find that stuff. So these were new, these cotton pods. These are so cute. Now, there were 2 different sizes. I have a picture. I will insert the picture for you. But they were 2 different sizes. I got the smaller one, so only 4 are included. So I am making, for fall, I am making a thing from my mantle. I will show you that. It's going to be so pretty. But I will be using these on that project. And then this also is new, this butterfly. This is so pretty. They had these beautiful pictures, shadow boxes with butterflies in them. They were really pretty. The butterflies were actually on the glass. So it was so pretty. It was, I'll show you a picture of them, but they were really pretty. And then I saw these. Like right after seeing those pictures, I was like, oh wow, these are really pretty. They had all different colors. I'll show you a picture of them. They had all different colors. They are alligator clip. Very cute. I mean, this would be cute for a spring wreath. I just really think it's really pretty. I finally found this. This is the sewing thread set. I wasn't able to find it anywhere, but I did find it. I like to use these on like cards and things. I'll show you how I use that. I usually take a couple pieces, wind it around, and then put it on something and just to give a little more oomph to my cards. But this is not bad for $1. So, and I found this up near my mom, which is funny because I never find it in my place. But up near my mom, she had it. I got a new stylus. I do use these styluses a lot. They're a lot easier than me trying to type on my phone because I always mess up or I hit a different letter. It's just so aggravating. So I got a stylus. It's also a pen, but I never use them for that. So got that. And this isn't new, but this was back again, the Nivea, and it's the Foaming Silk Mousse Body Wash. So I just got the regular. I didn't get any of the scented ones, but I do like this one. So I just picked up one. So actually it does say it's a white peach. Hold on. White peach and orchard blossom scent. Huh. See, I thought it was regular and it's not. All right, that's it. See, I had to pay closer attention to my stuff. And let's see what else I got here. I did pick up some little glitter spiders. This is going to be for a wreath that I am making. I found this wreath on QVC and HSN. QVC had it for $89 and HSN had it for $79. I'll show you a picture, but I am recreating it. So, but it doesn't have spiders, but I'm adding it because of course I'm going to be changing. I found these cool white bats. I really like these. These are little picks, but I will be taking them off and putting them on something. It says glow in the dark. So I never knew that they glow in the dark. So I think that's pretty cool. I'll have to check that out actually. I got some of these wooden dowels. I got them for a project, but I need to saw them in half. So Stefano's going to get me this little mini tabletop saw that somebody I was watching that does DIY. She has it, and because of my hands and things, I can't saw. So yeah, so I'll be getting that, and I'll be making a whole bunch of projects because I got something in mind I want to make. Some of these chalk tags. These tags with Christmas coming up, I wanted to get the chalk tags because I thought that it would be cute to draw something on there and then write their name. There's 6 of them on here. In here, so I will be using those. And I wanted to show you this. This is the Rembrandt. Now, these teeth whiteners are amazing. I used it once so far, and it just really helped my teeth a lot. So I know with another 2 or 3, my teeth will be not quite where I want them weight-wise, but they will be pretty darn close to it. I've used so many products that didn't work. These don't slip off. You don't have to sit there and like drool when you have them, you know, when you're wearing them. So I just like these, and I highly recommend them. Now the expiration date is 2022, so you know, you don't have to rush and use them right now. And then I did pick up another one of the teardrop gel sponges. Now I do really like these. These are really nice for my foundation. Right now with the change of seasons, I'm really careful. I'm using a lot of CC cream instead of foundation because of my dry skin. So, and these, the CC cream goes on a lot better with these. So I like that. And I wanted to show you this because I did pick this up. And this is the Maybelline. Again, I got the 2 because I really think you can't beat it 2 for $1, you know. So this is a peach color. I believe this is peach. What's this called? It's a bleached and peach 765 limited edition. So that looks really pretty if you could see that. I'm sorry about my lighting. And then this one is green graffiti. Now I used the black, I'm sorry for my nails, but I used the black graffiti one from last week when I did that haul. I used it. I really do like it, and they do wear pretty well. I just been cleaning a lot and doing a lot of stuff. So, but yep, this is the green one. I thought that would be really cool, so I can't wait to try that out. And again, it's the Maybelline, and these are pretty hard to find for me. So whenever I see the foam, the floral foam, I do pick it up. Now I like these ones because see how it's 4 pieces in here. If you're doing a smaller project, it's really good to have these because you don't have to cut. You wouldn't have, like if I cut this would be a mess, you know. So I like that it's already pre-cut. You can use it in those little tiny crate looking things from the Dollar Tree. I used them in my sister's. I just made my sister one, and I used these in there, and I hot glue the foam in, but not the flowers, so they can change out the flowers if they want. But yeah, I did that. My mom, and I made my mom one too. It really turned out nice. The one I made my mom, I made that like handmade from rulers from the Dollar Tree. Last week, or last one that I got the ribbon, and I got another one of these unicorn ribbons because I'm going to send them to my granddaughter. She does like to craft a lot, so I will be sending that to her. I got a cute little picture of her when she first saw the new updated crafters square section, and it's so cute. So I'll insert a picture of my granddaughter Kenzie right in here so you can see her little face. She was so excited when she saw that crafter square because it had all wood stuff, so she was very excited about that. So let's see, what else did I get? I'm sorry guys, because I already did this haul and then I put everything away, you know. I got another one of these wooden signs, and this one is Happy Haunting, and I love this ghost. I actually love the way the sign is, so I think I'm going to keep it this way, and then if I need a sign for something else, I will just take this off and I'll update it and use it for something different after the holidays. And I did go and get another one of these collapsible storage ones. This is the 9x8. It's the 9" by 8". So I did get another one of the black and white checkered ones because I'm hoping that next week I could get a cubby and I'll have all these, the same ones in it. I think it's a 9 square cubby, so I'm getting that. So I can't wait to get that and get some of this mess cleaned up. I have so much crap around. So yeah, guys, I think that is it for this week. That's all the things I wanted to show you. I was super excited about those floating shelves. That was my #1 goal, was to find them, and I did find them. I did buy 5 like I told you, but that was my #1 goal, was to find them. I was super excited about finding them. And then the surprise for me this time was this love sign here. That was a big surprise to find that, because there's so many different things I can do with this. So I am super excited about that. So guys, I am sorry that this didn't get included and you're watching another one. This will be up on Wednesday. So happy Wednesday to everybody. And I want to thank you guys again so much for the support and the love and the outpouring. And I hope that the picture that I put in of the cats, like, I wanted to show you the condition that some of them were in. I didn't want to offend anybody. I hope nobody got offended by the picture. But that is just reality, because a lot of these cats are feral cats. And that's the reality. I have, like, where I live, people just move out and leave their cats here. It's just very sad. We had a person leave their dog here once. It was very, very sad that they leave their animals behind like that. I am of the thought that once you get a little critter, it becomes your family. And you know, I have a dog here that drives me crazy, but he's like my husband's dog. We saved his life. I don't know how many times he did stuff that he got in trouble. And then we had to wind up saving his life. He cost us thousands of dollars. But I always complain about him, but I love him. He is part of the family, and I would not think of getting rid of him just because he aggravates me. And he really does. Some days he pushes me to over the edge sometimes, but you know, he's part of the family. So, you know, you get what you get, and, you know, you just deal what you have to deal with. There's some certain things I won't deal with the animal. Like if one animal purposely hurts another animal for no apparent reason, they're not hunting, they're not starving, they're just doing it because they can do it, I will not tolerate that. That is just a mean animal, and I won't keep a mean animal with other animals and have them at risk or at danger of being hurt. So there's just some things I won't do. But guys, I'm sorry I went on a little rant about animals. I hope that you understand. I just love them. I care for them. My goal is to get them all homes, and them loving homes. So, you know, in a couple weeks, I'll start putting pictures up and see if anybody wants any kittens. All right, guys, thank you so much for listening to me. As always, I hope that you liked this haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please tell me down below what you got. And if you want me to do a DIY with this cool little wreath, please let me know. I will be more than happy to do it. I have a lot on my plate. I am going to be doing a bumblebee gnome. I'm thinking about doing that live. So if you would like to see a live version of that, please let me know down below. Leave your comments down below. If you would like to see me do a DIY on this little one, please let me know about that also. I am just all excited about doing DIYs. All right, guys, like I always say, somehow, some way, I will have an amazing day. You make your day amazing. Together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later.